Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Brussels Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Contact button. So as you can see, first you will find this Help and Contact section, which is useful if you cannot find what you're looking for in the following sections. You can just search for any function or contact option and just get help with that. Then you will find an irregularities and complaints section where you can find solutions on topics like lost or damaged baggage or concern about your flight. And lastly, there's a Get in Touch with Brussels Airlines section where you can just find various ways you can contact them, like social media accounts or technical support, which is very useful. Like you can even choose your region, and as you can see, in the Hungarian region they are available in 24/7, and there's even opening hours there. So yes, you can find several ways to get in touch with them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.